Welcome back to Money Media. James here, and today I want to talk about how to get rich. Whenever I link up with friends of mine, often because I'm always talking about investing, I'm always talking about finance, business, economics, and the major question I get asked constantly by friends and family is, how do I invest my money? What do I invest my money in? How do I generate and accrue wealth? And with this question and topic often comes up, well, I'm priced out of the property market, especially within Australia. I'm priced out of the property market, and so I can't afford to invest. And I wanted to address this in this video because property is one asset class out of a very, very long list. And for a lot of people at the moment, especially, property investment can be unattainable for a certain period of time, not forever, but it may take longer at this point in time to get your deposit ready and be financially in a place where you can afford a property to invest in or even live in. So in these conversations, what I generally say is this. And so I wanted to make a video to tell you exactly what I tell people that are within my circle, in my life. So currently, and this is quarter one of 2025, there are markets right now that are affordable and look very attractive. And now, obviously this isn't financial advice, and I don't know your situation, so there is no way I can comfortably tell you what to invest in or how to invest. But what I tell my friends is this: there is an amazing opportunity in crypto assets right now. Is this market guaranteed to go up? No, I can't say that. Do I know which crypto assets will go up? Not for sure, no. But I'm comfortable, after doing quite a lot of research, that there's a small handful that I'm very confident will do well in the long run. And so I think at the moment, in this point in time, crypto, and we could talk about shares as well, but predominantly crypto is probably one of the most undervalued asset classes potentially in the world. I believe it's where our financial system is moving into. It has incorporated AI. It has incorporated, it has been adopted by governments globally, large institutions globally, banks globally, and now retail investors are starting to move in droves as well. And I think that this is an opportunity that often stares people in the face. And I think, look, I don't watch a lot of mainstream media, but every now and then when I do get a glimpse of it, I often see things that are covered in mainstream media which are deceptive. Like just recently I saw a finance reporter on a reputable news outlet giving price metrics on two meme coins and how badly they've done. There are gambles and there are investments, and I'm not saying that meme coins are gambles, but I personally wouldn't class them as investments, and that's all I'll say. So when people ask me, my friends and family ask me where I should put my money, what I should be investing in, I often suggest crypto would be a good start. I don't tell them to put their money into it, but I suggest it is a good start, and it is one of those sectors that is in its infancy. That means that it does come with risk, absolutely. But as I see, is where the internet was 25 years ago when we had the dot-com boom, which turned into the dot-com bubble. And there was a collapse of a lot of major websites and a market crash, but out of that came a lot of great businesses like Amazon, for example. So I think part of being an investor and generating wealth is knowing opportunities when they come along and taking advantage of those opportunities, and I believe that is one. And just quickly, I want to touch on as well, on the property side of things, I've read a lot of books over the years, and it will be 100 properties in 5 years, and how I can generate $10 million worth of property portfolio in 12 months, etc., etc. And they're all amazing titles, and you pick them up and you read through, and the strategies look fantastic. But the examples they use, i.e., I bought this property for $200,000, and 2 years later I sold it for $400,000, and then I was able to do this, this, and this. A lot of those strategies were created in the 90s and the early 2000s when property was a lot cheaper than what it is right now. So a lot of those strategies don't work anymore. So what a lot of those authors were, I'm not saying all, but what a lot of those authors were doing was buying properties when they were affordable, but they weren't as popular. And real estate wasn't as popular as an investment vehicle. So they were creating their wealth, and then when the housing market took off, which it did, they were able to write books about how successful they were. But that may not be able to be replicated because the market is completely different. Now, what I foresee is in 2 years, 5 years, 10 years, a similar thing happening with crypto. Because crypto at the moment is extremely affordable. And I believe people will make lots and lots of money on their crypto portfolios right now, and they will write books in 2 years, 5 years, 10 years time about how to make money out of crypto and then diversify out of crypto and buy other assets and build wealth. But at that point in time, when you're reading that book, it'll probably be too late because the crypto market won't be on sale like it is right now. So to wrap that up, I just want to say a big part of investing and accruing wealth over a lifetime is noticing opportunities and then being able to act on those opportunities. And so I hope that helps you in your wealth accrual journey. Thank you for watching Money Media. I'll see you in the next video.